we go. Oh, come on, you got it. Okay, Dad's gonna go up the hill. Oh, never mind. Come on, you got it, come on. Come on, use your heels, remember. There you go. So you want to stay high, honey. You don't want to go down the hill. Well, you don't want to go down this way. No, you got it, come on. Come on, they're waiting for us, honey. There you go. Yeah, go up high, and then you can go down low.
How far?
That should be good if you can control the board good. There you go. There you go. All right, Dad's getting up too. Oh. There you go. All right. Okay,